Hey guys, Conservation Blueprint coming to you again with another one of our seed cleaning videos. There's still lots and lots of things happening here in the shop, and today we're going to talk to you about how we clean tall cinquefoil. So the very first thing that we do is look at the recipe that we've come up with for cleaning this species. 6 different steps, and the first thing that we're going to do is run this through our hammer mill. So here is our tall cinquefoil as it looks as it comes out of the field, and we're about ready to take this through a hammer mill. We've talked about this, but we haven't really shown you this in any of our other videos. The hammer mill knocks the seed out of the head. Here is our screen size that we have selected for this particular species. We'll get ready to turn this on right now. Close her up. We're going to turn it on, and we will start putting seed into the hammer mill, feeding it in here. Running it through the system, and after that goes through the system, I'll turn it off right now so we can talk. This is what this material looks like after it goes through the hammer mill and is ready for step number 2. All right, now we're moving on to step number 2 in our recipe for tall cinquefoil, and we're going to take our product that came out of the hammer mill, and look at that, lots of trash. This essentially contains every single thing that we handpicked from the field, and we're going to bring it into our first screening process that is a 1 millimeter screen opening. You might look at that and think that it's kind of small. That's kind of about middle of the road. So we take our hammer mill product, and we really just very, very lightly work it through this screen because the seed is so small that it passes through there really easily. And this is what it looks like. Through the 1 millimeter screen, we can start to see seed in here, but there's a lot of product that's not seed. So we bring it through one more screening process, a 0.605 millimeter screen. And you might think to yourself, well, that's not a huge difference in size. It is. Really big difference in size. So we take that last product, and again, we just really, really lightly work it through this screen because the seed is so small that it passes through there really easily. And this is what it looks like. You can see a lot of seed in there. This is probably 40 to 50% purity right now, but we're going to finish it off by taking this product and running it through our fractioning aspirator, where we drop that product into the column, comes down to our auger, air enters the system, and it separates it all between trays number 1, 2, 3, and 4. And our finished product that we're looking at is right here. So folks, this is the steps that you go through to get a 93% purity, taking our hammer mill product from this to making it look like this. Tall cinquefoil. Thanks for watching.